Okay, friends, for letter center today, we're going to look at our letter sounds worksheet. So we're going to look for letter sounds A and B. Now, remember, the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to write my name at the top of my paper. Okay, then we're going to practice tracing capital A and lowercase a. So remember, we always start letters at the top, so I'm going to pull from head to toe and head to toe. Then across the alligator's arms you go. Remember, lowercase a, I'm going to go around the apple and down the worm. Be careful, he doesn't squirm. Okay, so again, starting at the top, from head to toe and head to toe. Then across the alligator's arms you go. And then I'm going to trace my lowercase a. So curve first, around the apple and down the worm. Be very careful, he doesn't squirm. All right, and again, from head to toe and head to toe. Then across the alligator's arms you go. And then around the apple and down the worm. So now I've traced my capital and lowercase a's. Now I'm going to go down and trace capital B. So our B poem is down the bird's back, around his head and belly. The cute little bird is very, very smelly. Okay, and for lowercase b, our poem is down the bat, over and around the ball, hit a home run, the fans will call. Okay, so again, capital B is down the bird's back, around his head and belly. The cute little bird is very, very smelly. Now for lowercase b, remember, it's down the bat, over and around the ball, hit a home run, the fans will call. And capital B again is down the bird's back, around his head and belly. The cute little bird is very, very smelly. And lowercase b, down the bat, over and around the ball, hit a home run, the fans will call. Okay, now friends, look at these pictures over on the side. I have apple, book, apron, axe, banana, belt, ant, basket. So I'm going to cut off my strip. Remember, I'm going to hold an alligator cut. Cutting my paper out. Now, I have 4 pictures that begin with the A or A sound and 4 pictures that begin with the B sound. The first picture I'm going to cut out is an apple. Apple. Okay, so I'm going to look at apple. Apple. Apple starts with A. So remember, just a dot, not a lot. Apple. I'm also going to neatly color in the picture of my apple. I'm going to use red. Remember our red song? R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red, I can spell red. Fire trucks are red, stop signs are red too. R-E-D, R-E-D. All right. And I'm going to add a brown stem. And a green leaf. All right. Now I'm going to go back to my strip. My next picture is a book. I hear a b sound at the beginning of book. So just a dot, not a lot. And book begins with the letter B. I'm going to take out my yellow crayon and color the book yellow. So Y-E-L-L-O-W. Y-E-L-L-O-W. All right, friends. Now, you're going to do the rest of the pictures by yourself. So you're going to cut out, glue, and then neatly color. Remember, our pictures are apron, axe, banana, belt, ant, basket,